second year class student and I'm proud of that student. एक बात मैंने नोट की है और मैं आप लोगों को इंतहाई आजिज़ी से दरख्वास्त करता हूँ कि प्लीज़ एक बात मैं आप लोगों सबको ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि ये महफिल है, ये इस खूबसूरत महफिल को जब आप इस महफिल में शोर करेंगे तो ज़ाहिरी बात है कि वो ये महफिल डिस्टर्ब हो जाएगा। तो मैं आप लोगों से ये रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ कि प्लीज़ हियर शुड बी डीप साइलेंस। आप लोग बिल्कुल इत्मीनान के साथ पुरसुकून और खामोशी के साथ बैठे रहें और इस प्रोग्राम में हमारे साथ और भी बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ें हैं जो इंशाल्लाह आप लोगों को रिफ्रेशमेंट देगी, इंशाल्लाह आप लोग को इंजॉय कर लेंगे, लेकिन थोड़ा सा इंतजार आप लोगों को करना पड़ेगा। इसी वजह से आप मेहरबानी करें कि बिल्कुल आप लोग खामोशी के साथ बैठे रहें और इस प्रोग्राम से लुत्फ़अंदोज़ होते रहें। अच्छा, कि मोहम्मद से वफा तूने तो हम तेरे हैं, कि मोहम्मद से वफा तूने तो हम तेरे हैं, ये जहां चीज है क्या लोहो कलम तेरे हैं। दुनिया में एहतराम के काबिल है सारे लोग, दुनिया में एहतराम के काबिल है सारे लोग, मैं सबको मानता हूं मगर मुस्तफा के बाद। आओ हमजा बाबा, हमजा बाबा अफल मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ता यार यो मीन और करेदा अवी दुमरा राता ग्रांडे द अशना दिदन, दुमरा राता ग्रांडे द अशना दिदन, तले उमरार लमाउस बियाजमा, तले उमरार for the English speech, I want to invite second person and a man who want to present here speech in English in front of the people. There is Zishan, first year medical student, and the clapping of her hands I want to invite Zishan.
I begin in the name of Almighty Allah, who is the most merciful and the most beneficent. Respectable teacher, honorable guest, and my school and college fellow, Assalamu alaikum. I am thankful to Sir Quran who gave me a chance to stand in front of you and share my ideas about the education system of Pakistan. Actually, the meaning of education is training. In other words, education means to give knowledge to someone. In other words, education means to give. We are all aware from the importance of education. It is also clear from the Holy Quran and the tradition of our Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. The first relation of Holy Quran is Iqra. It means to say, there are also a lot of tradition in our Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, about the education, among which is one. Its meaning is, getting of knowledge is the duty of every Muslim man and woman. Basically, people get education from two sources, from parents and society, and the proper institute. In Pakistan, people get two types of education: religious education, worldly education. Religious education we get from the Islamic institute called madrasa for about 8 or 10 years. After studying such type of education, one become an Islamic scholar and he got pupil in their religious matter. There is also a special course called Wafaqul Madaris Al-Arabiya, which makes the course content for the student, their madrasa, and also register their institutes. The world education is further divided into three classes. First is professional or technical education. Second is science, and third is art and literature. Such classes require about 18 years. For its completion, and this period of time is divided into four steps. First step is the primary school, and the second step is high school. And the third step began at the college, and the fourth step started at university. For the first two steps, Same education is given to each student who is either male or female. In college, they have decided to whether to learn technical or professional education, science or art and literature. After studying 2 or 4 years at college, they go to university for specialization in his or her field. This was something about the education system of Pakistan. Now I want to throw a light on the parent as well as teacher role in society. The parents have a great role in education. Their child, because at home the children watch every activity of parents, and they also listen to them. If they want seriously, so they can make their children more educated and more civilized. The similar role is also that of the teacher in a society. He is a spiritual father of each and every student. He should teach his student from the core of his heart. Also, it should be in your mind the student knows each and every action of their teachers. So the teacher should be very careful. Although the system of education in Pakistan is good, but there are also drawbacks in the system. First of all, there is a large distance among the students of religion and the world education. They become close to each other and share their problems with each other. Secondly, there are no guidance for students. World education, they don't know what they should study after their high school. They can't decide which type of education they need to study. For example, professional, technical, or science or art. Thirdly, due to the poor policy and the political condition of country, our students do not get good placement after completing their studies. We still need a lot of improvement if they are namely request to the authorities that they make more and more better policies for education so that we may give our children best possible education, make them more civilized and also make our Pakistan happier and prosperous. May Allah keep our country beautiful forever and make it more prosperous. Ameen. Thank you.
راځئ چې زړونه ورته کېږدو د ګلونو په ځای راځئ چې زړونه ورته کېږدو د ګلونو په ځای چې بیا مېلمانه داسې ونه چې اخلاص زموږ په سټوډنټانو ګڼو प्रिंसिपल और तमाम टीचर स्टाफ की तरफ से यहाँ पर आए हुए तमाम मेहमानों को एक बार फिर दिल की गहराइयों से खुशामदीद कहते हैं। हमने अपने प्रोग्राम में और तकरीरों को भी शामिल किया है, मगर टाइम की शॉर्टेज की वजह से बाज़ को हम काट भी लेंगे। मैं एक और इंग्लिश तकरीर के लिए दावत देता हूँ सैयद आतिफ शाह को कि वो आए और अपने ख्यालात का इजहार तकरीर की शक्ल में करें। सैयद आतिफ शाह। I begin in the name of Allah, who is the most kind and great merciful. Mr. President, honorable guests, respectable teachers, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today, this lovely welcome party topic that has been given to me is about juvenile delinquency. Chief guests and dear teachers, in every nation is a precious gift from the side of God, play a very important role in developing a country as well as prosperity. In this, every nation depends upon its various powers, such as science and technology, agriculture, climate, and so other things. But actually, these are only ordinary powers. Mr. President, according to my opinion, the best power of a nation or country is its youth and responsible youth. Responsible youth is always educated youth
They develop the country and make them civilized. Mr. President, as we know that youth helped by Yadam Muhammad Ali Jinnah and Pakistan came into being in 1947. The outbreak in the 8th of October 2005, and youth of Pakistan forwarded health and safety and were raped to a place where accident. They also helped the government of Pakistan in the rehabilitation of the affected people. Mr. President, the youth is emotional and dynamic in every period. All the revolutions of the world could only start with full and active participation of the youth. When nations are young, power blood is running in the veins. When nations are young and power blood is running in the veins, determination is strong. It is always eager to bring some change in society. All they need is the right determination and proper guidance to the rest is to be performed by them. Mr. President, our country Pakistan is a developing country. We are facing a number of problems. We are backward because we haven't developed our skills in the field of science and technology. Therefore, it is the responsibility of both governments and parents to build a better environment, better imagination and ideas. In this way, we can move them and generalize their intelligence in the right direction.
प्लीज मेरी तरफ जरा देखिए. You are the students of Brilliant College and we are the teachers. Please मेरी तरफ प्लीज 2 मिनट खामोशी इंतहाई जरूरी है. अगर आप लोगों ने खामोशी इंतहा नहीं की ना तो वी विल वाइंड अप द प्रोग्राम. फिर हम प्रोग्राम मुख्तसर बनाएंगे. इसी वजह से कि आप लोग अगर शो कर रहे हैं, इस प्रोग्राम को बेतरतीब कर रहे हैं ना, फिर हम मजबूर हो जाएंगे इस प्रोग्राम को हम मुख्तसर कर लेंगे. हमारे साथ इस प्रोग्राम अभी स्टार्ट हो गया है, अभी शुरू हो गया है. इसमें इंतहाई खूबसूरत खाके हैं, पैरोडीज हैं, नाद है वगैरह वगैरह इसमें इंतहाई और मुशायरे हैं इसमें. प्लीज़ आई रिक्वेस्ट पीपल, मैं आप लोगों से एक दरख्वास्त करता हूँ कि आप लोग बिल्कुल इत्मीनान के साथ बैठे रहें और जो बंदा शोर